How to change account location in Roblox or whether it's possible to do that or not. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up Roblox on a device. Now wait for some time. Now, now once the app loads, tap on three dots at the bottom right corner. Now scroll down and tap on settings. Now a settings page will appear. Now on the settings page, simply go to account info. Again scroll down. Now here you can find your account location. Now when you tap on it, as you can see no option appears. So unfortunately on Roblox, you cannot change your account location. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.